This one I think is called a yin. He likes to wink. He likes to drink. He likes to drink and drink and drink. The thing he likes to drink is ink. And the ink he likes to drink is pink. He likes to wink and drink pink ink. There, that's the end. No. So if you have a lot of ink, then you should get a ink, I think.